1-2 akcija, poštovani gledalci. Naš brat ide u drugi deo grada, sad moramo kupiti neki taksi ovdje ili već nešto. Evo vidite kakvi su putevi u Omanu. Sad idemo na najjaču plažu ovdje, verovali ili ne. Na plažu gdje dolazi samo najjači krimosi. Evo vidite kakvi su putevi, nešto mi je kamera možda izmrljena pa se najbolje ne vidi, ali ovdje je sređeno sve tip top. Znači sve u foru. A naravno moje ime je Vuka, prezime Đurić. Do kume, pa to možemo i peške kumara. Znači samo jajarima, treba samo jajariti, evo ga, možda će nam stati ako please. To, će nam stati ovaj kloš, hoće, jebao majku svoju. To kume, jajero! Idemo s tobom kao najveći klošari. Ovo ne u Los Angelesu, majke, ovo je do jaje. A šta ima samo jedno mjesto?
One tap. Yes, thank you.
Thank you very much. Evo ga čiča, najveća jajera na svetu. Ovo nema nigde, majke, kakve sve. A can I? Ja ću ovdje. Hello my friend, you are the best man in the world.
No problem. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I never see a man like you in my life. You are the best. You are the best man.
Where I come from?
From Serbia.
Serbia, yeah. So you are playing
Yes.
Football.
Football, yeah.
The best football in the world.
So you're coming from World Cup. You have been there in Qatar.
No, not yet, but we
No.
are planning to go.
Yeah.
We was in Kuwait.
Enjoy there.
We was, we planning.
Yeah.
We will see. In
I think you have some match
Today.
left today.
yes, in 2 days we are leaving
Against
tomorrow.
Tunisia.
No, against Switzerland.
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 Tomorrow, I
If we
think.
are win, we are
But
the best.
I believe you can beat Switzerland. Not
If we are beat, we are going further.
Yes.
And now I'm Chicha going to Qatar. To World Championship.
It's very hard for champion, but you know you have there Brasilia. Argentina is not good.
Navesti malo
So
frizuricu.
good, but Brasilia.
Vidite kakva je haslačka živaca Čiča.